So right now you're probably wondering how in the heck to use ads to help you grow your business. So in this video, I want to show you how you can use ads and map out each conversion metric to ultimately shoot for a particular revenue goal. So let's get into the numbers. A lot of these numbers I just have for illustration. So let's just say your target is to add $1 million in sales and that your average deal is $10,000. Pretty simple. The way you need to map out your marketing, acquisition, and conversion numbers, let's say your average CPM, cost per 1,000 impressions, is $50. I'm going to keep these numbers really simple for the illustration. And your click-through rate is 1%. That's ultimately going to mean that your cost per click is going to be $5. You tracking? From there, let's say your lead conversion rate is 25%. So when somebody lands on your opt-in page video, 25% of them opt in to watch your training or download your white paper, whatever it might be. That'll ultimately get you a $20 cost per lead. Pretty simple math. Now, based on some data that Salesforce pulled together, ads from Facebook specifically convert from lead to close at about a 1.5% ratio. So lead to close, 1.5%, again for the illustration. That means your client acquisition cost is going to come in around $1,300. With this data, you can start making plans and predict how much in ad spend that you're going to need to invest over a period of time. And so that ad spend number ultimately results in $133,000 and some change. But there's some important things from here that you can do to lower that ad spend or repurpose the ad spend to grow even faster. And the keys to doing that is, number one, you're retargeting. You need to be retargeting with your ads, and you need to be retargeting with your outbound prospecting. That's email, cold calling, LinkedIn, a multi-channel approach to get your prospects on the phone. Number two, you need to have processes, systems, and automations to help you scale that process. And that's going to help bring down those ad costs. And then three, you need to focus on closing sales. If you're not closing, that's one of the key linchpins in this whole thing. If you're not closing, you need to optimize that process. So there it is. It's mapped out for you. If you want to achieve $1 million in growth using this data, your situation is going to be different. Map this out every step of the way. Figure out how much money you need to invest in ads in order to achieve that growth. And if you want to learn more about this process or the system that we've put in place to achieve this, then I want you to click the link below and check out our 4-part free training series that I did for you to help grow your business. Thank you.